folks, just a quick video as promised on the Michael Schack kits. I'm going to get all multimedia on your ass now, so apologies for the language. I'm just going to show you the kits that we have. I'm going to play for you very briefly. So we have the first one, which is very aptly named Schack Tight. And then we go to Warm Anologo, valved harmonics, possibly, can't remember the name, I'll have to look it up. SchAckrylic, and that one is, he was talking on his QA last night about how he has a vintage acrylic kit in his garage, and this is sampled from that, so it's a really cool sounding one. And then drum and bass for life. So they are the kits I'm going to play for you in a sec. Alrighty.